full body workout, 20 minutes outdoors, camping, one bow. Due to the bow, let's get after it. Let's go high knees. Today we're gonna be doing every minute on the minute training. It's gonna be deadlifts, hypo catches, swings, clean and presses, 3 rounds, in and out. Get it done, get on with your camping trip or wherever you're training from. Right knees to the side. Remember, you wanna focus on good quality technique. We're doing 10 deadlifts, 5 hypo catches, 10 swings, and 3 and 3 clean and press, or 3 to 5. Okay, couple bows options you can have. 16 kilo, 35 pound bow, or 20 kilo, 44 pound bow, jog in place, or if you can use something a little heavier, if you know you can do that, a 24 kilo, 53 pound bow. All right, so I'm gonna start out right into it. 10 deadlifts, let's get after it. Here we go. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that elevation, 1,000 feet over here. Next up, 5 hypo catches. Hypo that catch from the ground, catch it up. Kind of just like this. Catch. 5 hits. Alright, here we go. 5 seconds. Timer's gonna be right here. 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, next up is clean and press. All right, so clean and press. You start with the lighter bell if you need to. You're gonna clean, floor clean, press, floor clean, and press. All right, grab your bell, 3 to 5, let's go. Clean, press. Clean, press. 5 reps. Next up, 10 swings. Right here. Nice job. Nice. Shake it out. Swings coming up, 10, right here. Let's go, last set of swings, finish strong. Clean press, 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Let's finish strong. Let's go. Last set. Here we go. Go. 1. Good quality form. 2. Excellent work. That's it, done. 3 rounds. Full body kettlebell, 15 minutes, in and out. Get it done under 20 minutes. Just shake it out, cool it down. Awesome job, pat yourself on the back right here. All right, we enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this full body kettlebell workout. Simple, in under 20 minutes. Let's shake it out, cool down. And I wanna give you something, a gift, a 10-minute workout, free workout, full body. Keep you 10 in the comments if you want that. I'll shoot it over to you. You could do a workout similar to this in 10 minutes, 1 bell, no excuses. You can get it done every single day. All right, shake it out, cool down. If you like this, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, share it with someone you know you can benefit from this workout, who likes kettlebell workouts or is working towards that. Let me know what you thought of this video. I wanna make more workout videos just like this for you, so you can get in, get it done, train strong, be consistent, get stronger, get fitter, get healthier with the kettlebell. All right, reach up tall, open up, again, open up. All right, stretch those quads. Grab that heel, press your hip forward, 3 deep breaths. Get your balance first. And again. Good. All right, other side, let's go. Hip forward, 3 deep breaths. Good, shake it out. All right, let's take care of those hamstrings, all right? Take care of those hamstrings, get that out of the way. Back nice and straight, hinge forward, hamstring stretch right here, 3 deep breaths. And again. Again. Good. All right, other side. Stretch it out. 1, 2. That's 1. Good. All right. Couple hip circles. 3 and 3. 2, 3. Other way. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's take care of those knees. Knee rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's deep breath in, pull body tension, shake it out twice. Celebrate this one. Let's go. Reach up. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. One more time. Let's get it. Here we go. Up. Reach up tall and awesome job, excellent job today. Pat yourself on the back here. You got it done. Out Hard in my nature series, kettlebells. You can travel with them anywhere. This is an example of that. So there's no excuses. Always have a bell with you. And again, 10 minutes if you want a short workout to get in during your camping trip or a trip you're taking with the bell. KB10 in the comments. I'll shoot that over to you. Otherwise, thanks for showing up. Pat yourself on the back. You got it done. You can just scroll for 20 minutes. You did something for yourself, getting stronger, getting better, getting fitter. Just keep showing up every day doing that. Be consistent. You're gonna get there. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Keep training strong.